first lessons, we need to open the Chrome. So by putting the hyperlink and then we open the Google Chrome with the link you given. First thing you need to do, okay, is open URL. So first thing you need to declare first, you need to declare the driver as Chrome. Wait. Yeah, make sure this you put the selenium tag library, otherwise you cannot get. Aha. So secondly, you need to ensure that the new Chrome driver is inside the selenium folder. So we go to the apps data, you go to local, you search for the selenium basic. Okay, check the Chrome driver. Okay, you see here is very old. This is very old Chrome driver. So what you need to do is you need to get the latest Chrome driver where you can where you just follow the lesson one. I teach in the lesson one already, so you can get from there. Okay. So the new Chrome driver you should put into here. Just replacing is enough. Or you can rename the old one to the another names and then you put the letters. You see this is a letters. Okay. So now you already dim. So secondly you need to dim your URL. URL as string. Okay. Then you set your URL. Set URL equal to www.google.com. Oh, sorry. What you need to do is, yeah, copy this link. Okay, you just dump here. Okay, after you complete, right? So how you going to call this? Here, just driver dot start Chrome. So you want your driver to open a Google Chrome. Secondly, driver dot get URL. So now you can run step by step. Okay, you just run. Okay, you can also yeah, you see the Chrome is opening, right? When the Chrome is opening, he will show here Chrome is being controlled by the automated tab software. And then you run this line driver get URL. Now your URL is this folder. Okay, done. Done. Is it simple? It's very simple only, right? Okay, so you are done for the opening the Google Chrome with with the link given. Now, the second step is we need to go to click this, go to lesson. Okay, how to click this, right? So you want to make automatic, you don't want to do it manually. You want the VBA, you want the Excel to click it for you. So how to do it? It's very easier. First thing you need to know for this, you need to know the ID for this. So first thing you need to you press F12 here, you press F12 here, then it show you, then you go to inspect element, right? This is called inspect element. So you just click it and then you go to here. As you can see here, the VB button is a class. Here is the ID. You see, this is the ID for it. Element instant 11 underscore 1. Okay, how to do it? Hmm. So now you want to click this, but then you want to automate how to write in this. Then you can. First thing you need to do is driver dot find element by ID. Okay. Then what is the ID? So this is the ID. So you just can click it, double click it, then you copy, put the open bracket, alright. Then find my ID. So he look for this ID and then please dot click. So this dot click is mean by using the he mimic the mouse go to this area and click it. Okay, so now I create a breakpoint here. So let's see it will go to this or not. Yeah, so you just run this, then it will go to the next page, to the page you want. Okay, now you learn the second thing, how to find the element by ID and click it. Now, after you learn how to find the element by click, right? Now you need to go. So this is the end of this lesson, right?